Have you ever wondered why, no matter how much you earn, you still end up broke halfway through the month? Nah, it's not what you're thinking. It's not village people. It's not witches. It is habits. Silent ones. The kind that look harmless but quietly drain your wallet while you're busy chasing the next flex. And to be honest, I've been there. That moment when salary hits your account and suddenly you feel rich. Then by the 15th of the month, silence. No balance. Just vibes. Money doesn't vanish. It walks away quietly. One impulsive buy, one unplanned expense, one fake lifestyle at a time. So today, we're slowing down to look closer, because sometimes the things keeping you broke are not loud, they are just comfortable. If you've ever wondered why your account balance disappears faster than your paycheck, this one is for you. And before we dive in, if you enjoy content that challenges how you think about money and helps you grow it wisely, hit that subscribe button right now. It not only helps this message reach more people like you, but it also tells YouTube you want more content like this from Wisdom to Wealth TV. Now, let's talk about the 10 silent habits keeping you broke even when you earn more. Habit number 1. Overspending to impress. We spend money we don't even have trying to impress people who probably don't care. People scrolling past our picture-perfect timeline without a second thought. You buy the new pair of shoes because your friend bought one. You post the restaurant picture not because the food was that good, but because the ambience looked like the life you're chasing, that quiet fantasy we call soft life. But here's the thing, the more we chase that picture, the further we drift from the real thing. True wealth isn't loud. It is built quietly, behind the scenes, while no one is watching. So, if you're constantly broke, maybe the question isn't how much you earn, but who you're trying to prove it to. Habit number 2. No budget, no boundaries. Have you ever tried to track where your money goes and realized you can't account for half of it? Yeah, that's what happens when you don't give money instructions. 3,000 naira here, 5,000 naira there. Little drops that quietly drain the bucket. It's not the big expenses that sink you. It's the small, silent leaks you don't notice. Budgets aren't cages, they are boundaries. They don't stop you from leaving, they stop you from leaking. Think of them like seat belts. They don't stop you from moving, they keep you safe while you do. If you don't tell your money where to go, it will choose its own adventure. And trust me, that story doesn't end well. 3. Lifestyle inflation. Lifestyle inflation is quiet, almost polite. It doesn't knock, it just settles in when the paycheck gets fatter. Your salary goes up and somehow your expenses find a way to catch up. You move from a simple apartment to one that looks good on Instagram. From takeout and shawarma nights to let's do brunch at that new spot. From boat rides to maybe it's time I get my own car. And I get it. There's nothing wrong with comfort. You've worked hard. You deserve nice things. But when comfort starts eating into your progress, you're not actually moving forward. You're just paying more to stay in the same place. Real growth is when your income rises, but your discipline stays the same. Because wealth isn't built by spending more, it is built by learning when to stop. The fourth habit, living on credit. Some people don't really earn more, they just borrow better. Loans for birthdays, loans for rent, loans for that new phone that will be old by next year. Even loans for the Ashwebi you will wear once and forget. And those loan apps, oh, they know you. They know your patterns, your paydays, and your pain points. Their adverts don't say, build your business. They whisper,
need quick cash? Click the link below.
but what for? Rent? Food? A new phone to impress no one in particular? They are not the rogues here. They are just running their business. You are the one paying interest and losing peace of mind in installments. Debt for investment can stretch you, but debt for lifestyle? It will strangle you slowly, quietly, beautifully wrapped in convenience. Habit number 5. Ignoring emergency funds. Life doesn't send warnings. Your car will not send you an SMS before it breaks down. Your body won't book an appointment before falling sick. If you don't build a cushion, you will always leave one emergency away from broke. And the funny part, emergencies don't respect your swag. They don't care if your outfit is designer or your shoes are limited edition. They just look you dead in the face and ask,
Can you pay or not?
Number 6. Buying on impulse. Online stores know you better than you know yourself. You Google sneakers one time, and next thing, Instagram is stalking you.
Your dream shoes are waiting. 15% off today.
That add to cart button always feels innocent. Until hours later, you're staring at your bank app and you're like, wait, who spent all my money? Impulse spending isn't logical. It is emotional. It is that quick rush that fades fast but leaves your account gasping for air. So, if you must buy, pause first. Sleep on it. Most times, by morning, the desire disappears and your wallet quietly says, thank you. 7. Not paying yourself first. Every month, you pay everyone else. Your landlord, the electricity guys, the loan app, even the tailor. But one person you never pay is you. Your future self keeps waiting, hoping you will finally get serious. If you don't automate savings, you will always spend everything you earn. Always. Start small, 10%, even 5%. It's not about the amount, it's about the habit. Because every naira saved today is one less worry tomorrow. And trust me, your tomorrow will thank you for it. Habit number 8. Waiting to invest. Some people say, when I start earning big, I'll invest. But think about it. When they earned small, they didn't. When they earned a little more, they still didn't. So really, when will they start? Investing isn't something you do after you make money. It is how you build wealth in the first place. It is how your money learns to work even while you rest. Warren Buffett, once the richest man in the world, still among the top 10 today, said, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. That line hit me hard the first time I heard it, because it is true. If your money only works when you do, you will never be free. Number 9. Ignoring financial education. Ignorance is expensive. It has a price tag. We just don't see it. You ignore how interest works, thinking it's no big deal. Then, one day, you wake up and realize the loan app owns your paycheck. You don't learn how investing works, then a Ponzi scheme shows up, smiling, promising heaven, and you fall for it. Yakata. Knowledge won't make you rich overnight, but ignorance, it will keep you broke for life. Truth is, the more you know, the fewer times life catches you off guard. Wisdom doesn't just protect your money, it protects your peace. And finally, habit number 10, no long-term vision. You can't build wealth on vibes, you need vision. Without direction, money just runs in circles. You make it, you spend it, you wonder where it went. Different month, same story. Until one day you pause and ask, wait, where is all this going? Where do I want to be in 5 years? What kind of freedom do I actually want? Once that picture gets clear, everything changes. Your choices, your spending, even your patience, they all start aligning with your story. Finally, you're no longer chasing money, you're building meaning. These habits don't shout, they blend in. They are quiet thieves. They don't crash through the door. They slip in through routine. Every small choice feels harmless until the sum total of them isn't. And before you know it, they've emptied your pockets quietly. It's not the big mistakes that drain us. It's the small, familiar ones we never confront. Maybe this is your sign to pause, to pay attention, to start again. Nothing changes until awareness becomes action. Financial freedom doesn't come from luck. It comes from clarity, consistency, and courage. So, let's plant seeds of wisdom today so that tomorrow our lives tell a different story. Until next time, keep your mind curious and your wealth intentional.